Welcome to a new episode of UA Originals. Today we'll be making something cool using dry leaves. To start, we will need a UA canvas board and some dried leaves. With the help of a scissor, we will cut the leaf and stick it on the canvas using the UA glue stick. We will repeat this process using different kinds of leaves to create awesome shapes of birds, butterflies, grass, and more. For our final touches, we will draw in some details using the UA color pencils. And with this, our leaf canvas artwork is ready. So get creative, make your own, and share it with us.